afternoon, papasok ako ngayon sa isang section. Hindi dito na ako katataas ko lang sa grade 11 sa Lasal. At re-record ko ngayon yung aming lesson na past, I think, a day. So, okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Sir Bruce.
So today we're going to discuss one of the most difficult lesson in this subject, politics and governance. But before that, let's have a review about the past lesson about the forms of government. So one of the important issue when it comes to government is the forms. So there are at least 5 major forms of government. Anyone who would like to draw the forms of government with 4 important content. Number 1, the description of the form of government. Number 2, Number 1, the form of government. Number 2, description. Number 3, the example countries. And number 4, the major institutions. Anyone? Complete, huh? Complete the word. Anar, ano yung ana? Complete. Make sure correct spelling. Yeah. Anar. Dota. Very good. Next. Ocracy. Authoritarian. Complete yan. Authoritarian. No? Wrong spelling. Anyone would like to help her? What full control? Full control. Or what's the freedom people? How about okay, so next one. Country. Okay, so thank you. Very good. So we have here the major forms. Forget to write major. This is the major forms of government. So these are considered as major forms of government. When it comes to establishment of government, it's only 2 major issues involved: control and freedom. So at the right side, we have the anarchy. So described with the description, having full freedom of the people. At the other extreme, the opposite sides, we have the totalitarian. So this is number 1. And number 2, we have totalitarian. So the word itself, total. So full control, specifically of government. Then we have the mediating position, considered as democracy. Okay, trying to mediate between, or to balance between full freedom of people and full control of government. So we have example here, example countries. So we have North Korea as an example of totalitarian. Simply means having full control of government. By the way, what's the basis? What's the indicators of full control or full freedom of the people? So we have three major institutions. Okay, this as considered as three major institutions. Okay. So when it comes to business, media, and religion. Okay. So unlike anarchy, of course, having full freedom when it comes to these three major institutions,